Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Garage. And today I am replacing the burnt out servo that is in my Kraton EXB. I told you guys in the last video that the original EcoPower servo burnt out in like the first 10 minutes of me running it, which is also in a couple videos back of me running it for the first time. I'm replacing that servo today with a Power Hobby servo. It is the 633 MCW. Right there, you could read it right there. Metal gears, waterproof, all that, high voltage, all that stuff. So this should be a major improvement. One of you guys told me to get Power Hobby servo, so that's what I got. And yeah, this should be hopefully way better than the last one, and hopefully it lasts me a lot longer than just 10 minutes. But yeah, and then I'm also gonna take the Kraton out and probably one of my nitro cars out and just have a rip in this video. But it's actually like 8 something right now, so for me it'll be another day. For you guys it'll be in this video. But yeah, let's get to installing the new servo. Alright guys, one more thing before we start. I just want to show you guys my new tools. I know I haven't, like, if you guys been watching this channel for a little while, you guys see like I use the little dynamite kit a lot, or I use some Allen keys still and stuff. But I finally got proper tools. I've been working on RC cars. I've been had RC cars for I don't even know how long, as long as I can remember, and I never had like a proper set of power tool bits and handles. And what's pretty cool about this Integy set, that's what where these are from, and the power tool bits, they're Team Integy hex bits and hex drivers. But what's cool about these is, like, even on the hex bits, so this is a 1.5, it still it matches, the color matches the handle and the power tool tip. So like they keep the same color even if you buy the handles or the tips. So I think that's pretty cool that like they're still matching, because the blue one, look at that, 2.5, and then this blue, where is it, focus, 2.5 right there too. So obviously some of them don't match, like the gold, the tip that has nothing goes with the orange one, which I guess, I mean, it's kind of gold, I don't know, but you know, obviously they don't match up perfect. But even the greens go together, and this is white, or it's gray. It's kind of whitish. I don't know if you guys can see that focus. It's kind of whitish gray, and then that one goes with the silver one. So that one kind of matches too. The only one that's the most off is the orange and the gold one that has no little color collar at the end. But other than that, all of them match. The black goes with the black, the purple goes with the purple. So I think that's pretty cool that they keep the same color in the power tool bits and the handles, the drivers, because now I know which color is which, no matter which one I want to go and use. But now I can throw that dynamite kit in my bag that I take out into the field and just leave that in there and don't have to worry about taking it in and out. And that's a good one because I have all the sizes. It comes with like screwdriver tips and stuff, but now I have a proper set that I can leave here in my little makeshift toolbox. But yeah, that's I just want to show you guys that real quick. But now let's get to installing the servo. Trash. Do not get these. Trash. Alright, new servo going in. Alright guys, I got the new servo into the Kraton EXB, and we are out here at my regular place. If you've seen videos before on my channel, you recognize this place. But yeah, I have the EXB and I have the tmaxx, and we're going to run both, and we're just going to have some fun. So let's get to it. Alright guys, I am back home and the Kraton performed beautifully. The servo held up fine. It is nice, strong, and fast. I really like this servo. I like it so much that I ordered another one for my Revo. So that is the servos I'll be using in the Revo will be this exact one. And then I got like a super speed one for the throttle, just to have quicker throttle response. And then of course, the tmaxx performed beautifully as always. After I don't know, a couple months, I think a month or so of not firing it up, it fired right up in the first couple, I'm not gonna say pulls because I had the easy start, but it turned on within 15 to 20 seconds. But yeah, so it performed beautifully. The Kraton performed beautifully. Kraton is back, ready. These things are freaking dusty as heck. I need to get the air compressor out and blow them off. But yeah, everything performed beautifully. And yeah, we just had a good time out there. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.